Hi, and welcome back. You have probably heard about hallucinations, which is the propensity of any language model, large or not, to generate non-factual content. This issue that can arise during content creation is a side effect of the creative characteristic of a language model. Let's see why. Let's reconsider the previous example. There is a parameter in any language model called the temperature. When the temperature of a language model is low, the model behaves quite predictably, in the same way we saw before. The next word is selected as the word with the highest probability to occur according to the given context. However, as the temperature increases, the probability distributions of the words start to flat out, resembling more of a uniform distribution, meaning that many words will have the same probability of being selected as the next word. At maximum temperatures, many words will have the same probability of being selected, and most models generate nonsense. In this case, the output might look like the one shown here, which makes no sense. The main takeaway is that, at maximum temperature, most models generate nonsense. With a temperature of 0, the model eliminates all randomness and generates the same output every time, given the same input. With the understanding of temperature, let's see how we can control the creative process of a large language model. At low temperatures, the language model will follow and mimic the well-defined patterns found in the training data. The output will be coherent unless the training data is not, and quite predictable. Consequently, lower temperatures can be used to produce formal writing like resumes, introductory letters, emails, etc. As we increase the temperature, the model will start to introduce unexpected words. This process will generate coherent and creative content. For this reason, medium-low temperatures can be used for creative writing, like articles, new exercise routines, books, and so on. While creative, the output will still be factual, given the training data contains high-quality factual data. As we increase the temperature, the creative process will be more abstract, resembling more of what I call a poetic style, more diverse and unusual output, sometimes resulting in more poetic or abstract language that breaks away from conventional or expected speech patterns. Finally, at the highest temperature, the model will generate words at random and be completely nonsensical. At this level, language patterns might still be followed, resulting in coherent but non-factual statements describing the insidious dual aspect of hallucinations. Sometimes, spotting nonsensical output is not always easy, as the text appears coherent and might even make sense. However, it is non-factual, with false or misleading statements that are not supported by the data. In this situation, we say that the model is hallucinating, which can result in serious issues. Because hallucinations can be a big issue, I will tell you a real story of the severe consequences you can experience if you are not careful in using generative AI in your activities without proper checkpoints. I will see you next.